We're at Shepherd Studios for a production for the Hyundai ix35. We're producing a TV commercial that is the first of a line of commercials that will introduce our new brand campaign, Inspiration Engineered.
What we're going to try and do is bring about all of the intangible things that make up a Hyundai, more than just the nuts and the bolts, but the soul and the ideas that come together to make up each car.
There's much more than pure engineering that goes into our cars, but it's a deep understanding of what our customers want. And the package that we deliver, we think, is exactly what our clients expect from a car.
The creative concept was to take a Hyundai and take it apart, to see what it was made out of. And the most interesting way to take anything apart is to blow it up. And we're filming and reversing that process, so it appears that all of these elements, all of these inspirational things, go into the making of the ix35. When we were looking for directors, many of them were talking about using CGI to build the car. But the thing that was different about Frank Budgeon was he wanted to shoot it all for real. He wanted to have objects flying through the air and wanted to film that, wanted to layer it all up to create this thing for real. And that made it much more of an interesting concept for us to want to pursue. The ix35 is a compact SUV, and as such it's being used by families, so we'll see lots of things in there that you might find in the average everyday family life. You'll see skateboards, guitars, chairs, fans.
From small ping pong balls to mountain bikes to skis. It's a whole variety of objects that form the lifestyle of people that are perfectly fit for the ix35 and vice versa.
So the thinking is that when you see all these objects come together, you'll recognise these objects as forming a portrait of who the driver is.
3, 2, 1, throw.
There's a lot of different techniques which involves throwing objects from different angles, having them dragged across from wires, firing objects out of air cannons against a variety of different backgrounds. On many occasions this seems quite random, but the end result will be striking because a lot of these objects are being reversed, they're being layered on top of each other, so people will feel, wow, that was different, because these everyday objects, when pulled together, are quite stunning and beautiful. The reverse explosion was the simplest mechanism we could use to show that Hyundais are made of more than metal, but the outtake is seeing the different things that go together, that are from your life, that pull together, gravitate together to become the Hyundai ix35.
What we expect from this commercial is a very, very beautiful film that underlines what we think our cars deliver.